Hi, I'm Mike Winkler, and I'm the Principal Managing Broker for Coldwell Banker Bain in Issaquah, Washington.
And I'm E.J. Bowles. I'm the Principal Managing Broker for Coldwell Banker Bain on Mercer Island, Washington.
EJ, in our last video blog post, we talked about Community Partnership Program and giving back to the charities and to the communities that we serve. And you know, we're good guys, and we work for a great company, and our brokers are phenomenal. But Washington state law also has a stake in this, and what a great time to talk about that.
That's right, and of course we're going to talk about the law, and we want to reiterate, as we've done before in the blog series, that we're not attorneys. This is really just our opinion as a couple of principal real estate brokers on what we see is going on in the law. But Washington state license law is in Chapter 18.85 of the Revised Codes of Washington, and it really is the legal basis for the relationship between the real estate community and the public.
And while we strive to serve the public, and our community partnership is a great indication of that, the public should know that the law names over 26 ways that a real estate licensee can lose their license, including unprofessional conduct, which also names, just in and of itself, about 15 types of license law violations. So let's look at a couple of things covered by the law. One thing is the commission of any act involving moral turpitude, dishonesty, corruption relating to the practice of the person's profession or operation of the person's business, whether the act constitutes a crime or not.
That's right. So you have to be you have to be honest in your dealings with the public. A second thing that the law covers is misrepresentation or concealment of a material fact in obtaining or renewing a license. So when a real estate person is renewing their license, they have to tell the truth about everything on that application.
In addition, advertising or false or misleading material, and it could be about them or about a home.
That's right. That's a violation. Incompetence, negligence, or malpractice that results in the harm or damage to another, or that creates an unreasonable risk or harm or damage to another. So in terms of how we conduct our real estate business, we can't be harming our principals or members of the public.
You know, EJ, when you began, one of the things you said is we're not attorneys, and so this one's really appropriate. Practice or operation of a business or profession beyond the scope of practice or operation as defined by the law or rule. So, you know, we're not attorneys, and we often recommend that our clients seek legal advice. We often recommend that they seek the advice of competent certified public accountant, and so this is a great example of that.
That's right. And so members of the public who are watching the video right now really can see that the state of Washington takes the duties that they've granted to the real estate licensee very, very seriously. Mm-hmm. And the members of the public can have some assurance that when they're dealing with a licensed real estate broker who works for a reputable company like Coldwell Banker Bain, that they have some confidence that their best interests are being looked after. I'm E.J. Bowles.
I'm Mike Winkler. Till next time.